Yes, we are back again on a new video, and I want you to go through this with me because something is going on. I am laughing because of this video, to be honest with you. Now, and I don't want to waste much of your time. Okay, let's start immediately. This is a video that PM shared. This particular video, let me play it so that you understand. From there, we can move forward. Just listen.
Conflict 40 years ago. Nigeria's economy is driven by oil, providing up to 95% of all export revenues. It's the largest producer of oil in Africa. That oil comes from the Niger Delta, home to the Biafrans. And oil is one of the reasons why the Biafrans are demanding their independence now.
One of the worst acts of economic injustice ever seen is the blatant refusal of the government of Nigeria to allow the peoples of Biafra access to the finances accruing from the sale of petroleum and natural gas, the right from their private ancestral land.
Oil is not the only reason for the call for independence. 40 years ago, the Biafrans fought a civil war with the central government and lost. Violence which continues today as documented by the Biafrans. In 1967, the war led to one of the first major humanitarian crises in Africa that won the attention of the West, as 1 million people died. Today, the ethnic tensions which first fueled the conflict remain. Nigeria is majority Muslim and the Biafrans are mostly Christian. The Biafra Foundation says the conditions which precipitated the civil conflict 40 years ago still exist.
The persecution of Biafrans is worse now than it was in 1967, so Biafrans really have no choice but to seek a different political and administrative arrangement to guarantee their fundamental basic human rights and to guarantee their safety, the safety of their children and their property.
The U.S. State Department's human rights record from 2006 confirms Nigeria has a poor record, highlighting arbitrary arrests and prolonged pretrial detentions, two issues cited by the Biafrans. The plight of the Biafrans is not getting much attention in Washington. The U.S. State Department was not aware of their declaration of independence. However,
now let me stop it here because the video is almost at end. That the presence and the information, anything at all about Biafran is not making wave in Washington. Like nobody is talking about it. They don't pay attention. They don't know what is going on in Biafra land in Washington D.C. Now listen.
Official Bush administration policy is the promotion of democracy worldwide. Priscilla Huff, SABC, Washington.
Now that is the news. Okay. Now PM made this, this write-off. He said the plight of Biafrans is not getting much attention in Washington. That is the mistake the Biafran government under my leadership has corrected in 2024. And Elias shared this video, this clip and this write-off from PM, and he said a testament to the Prime Minister's brilliance and how to be a part of His Excellency vision, Biafra is now receiving the attention it deserves in Washington D.C. And we have seen, we have seen many, what do they call them? A kind of, I want to use the word that they normally call them in congressmen. Yes, that's the word. A lot of congressmen in US, like today you have like what you have in Nigeria is senators and all that. So they are now talking direct. They're in direct talk with Biafran government because of Elias and his colleagues, the Biafran government in Israel lobby, which they are. They have done a very wonderful work that everybody can see. Like I always tell you, you don't need to be a cabinet member of different government in Israel to see the work and what they are doing, the plans and everything they are doing, because they don't hide it. They're not working on the ground like some people claim they do. So Elias also, shared this is just 10 minutes ago, according to from here, but I'm not going to go there. Let me go to the post that he made one day ago. And that is why we are here, actually, to be honest with you. Now, in this video, in this post, you will see what Elias said here. Let's go through it. Before then, let me read the post that he attached is not the complete, just just part of the screenshot from this guy called Citizen Observer, and we all know who he is and where he is, what he represents. That when I say we know who he is, I'm not talking about facial or voice or anything. His identity is hidden. Nobody know him, and to be honest, nobody care to know. So it's not as if we are desperate to know who he is and all that. No, we are not like them that always want to. Who knows his father? Who knows his mother? Because first, as long as you are saying what they don't like, the only thing that comes to their mind is how to eliminate. And we are not like that. We don't engage ourselves in criminality or bloodshed. No, 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 no. For what one? You have right to say what you want to say. We are different. Now, Elias said this. Okay, not Elias. Let me read the post from Citizen Observer first. He said, "Fellow Biafrans, I would like you to visit this trend where I first exposed Ekpa and his fake lobbyist on X. In coming days, we will move to the next level." Now, remember, he actually called PM Ekperima, which is normal thing they do, which is in translation you can say is if it means fake person or criminal. Now, Elias also he dragged Elias to the he did his post by calling him fake lobbyist. Now, Elias said this confused individual is still talking. Henceforth, Citizen Observer should be referred to as jobless observer. Maybe he can get help from the Catalonian farmers. My goodness. Are you connecting the dots? Maybe he can get help from Catalonian farmers. How many of you have watched the video where we talked about that when he said that when Elias sent congratulated message to them, praising them for moving from Catalonian farmers to Catalonian dancers? How many of you? And they still come back to reply saying, yes, what IPP have done in today destroy your job. These are people I don't understand. And this is to tell you that when you know what you are doing, then you can only know what to say. And our sister is here, Biafran government as chief of staff. He said, Elias, good one. He is indeed jobless observer. He think he can hide and talk trash online. Jobless observer payback time is fast coming for you. Every man or woman must answer for their action, either positive or negative. Jobless observer payback action is downloading. That is from chief of staff. One thing you need to understand is that Biafran government in exile and like their Mossad, like Israel have their own secret intelligence unit. They are top notch. Most of these people that are hiding their faces, they already have their identity. That's one thing I understand, because for a mega gift picture to surface online shows that everything you can't hide. And the mega gifts have never come out and say, "Oh, it's not my picture, it's not my picture," because his conscience is at work, no matter how bad they are. And another person, George, said those guys are dumber than dumb. They're dumber than dumb. I don't understand what do you mean. Jobless observer indeed. He is a faceless Fulani behind keyboard. I don't know that. So reference are not happy with that, with their actions or nonsense they're talking about. A lot of comment here which I'm not going to go through. But why am I reacting to this? For you to see what these people mean, what calling people propaganda, they don't have limit when they want to say something. Elias had been on a video without hiding, and they are calling him fake. You know, that is very, very funny. And somebody from, like, you know, from somebody from Citizen Observer who don't have any, not even his name is in public, is one calling another person fake. Can you beat that? So what do you think about this nonsense there? Because attacking PM is different, but attacking the lobbyist, you don't know him. He's not even an African. Everything he's doing is in public. He's posting it. I mean, and you see the man, this what's his name, Season Observer, saying that PM, like, the damn part is that he said Simon of Ekpa has claimed to work with this young man and even posted even posted of him. I think that he posted his picture as if posting his name that Simon is claiming that the man don't know Simon. That's what he's trying to say. So he's literally telling you that the layers don't know who Simon is, and Simon is posting his picture using his image. That's what, because he said Simon Ofekeba has claimed to be working with this young man. You know, when you say claimed, it means that you formulated it, that you just make it up, whereas it's not the truth. But we all can say that it's true, and that is kind of people they are. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and like the video, comment, and tell me what you think about what you have discussed so far, and subscribe if you're new. God bless you. See you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.